Hello guys, I'm going to do a lovely little butterflies like these. So cool with lovely little stones. So let's go in. So this butterfly we need one color A4 sheets or a plain A4 sheets, it's your wish. And we need glue. Pencils, scissors, and one, this is so important, and we need a lid, a box spoon lid or something, a lid. Next we need the stones that I showed you. So these are the things that we want. So first this. So first step, we have to fold the paper into medium half. So we fold it as like a card, and now we want the lid, so you can keep the lid and take the pencil, keep it like this, and just draw it round. So put around. After that, put around like this. After that, take a scissor. Take the scissor and cut through the lines. So let's cut it. It's a bit hard, so I'm just doing it easy. And I think, yeah, I'm gonna cut it. Cut it so circly, or else it would be a bit bumpy. It's not a problem because it don't have to be a lot of circle, because we are going to fold it a bit. Okay, the last one. Yeah, done. So you have got a 2 circle rounds. So we have got 2 circle rounds because we folded into half first. The next thing, take the first circle and fold it like a fan. You make like zigzag lines, folding like we would do paper fans. Like that, we have to do this first circle. Okay, it's done. So it's done. It's like potato chips, of course. It's like potato chip. And now the second one. Do the second circle the same way, so that it'll be like a butterfly. Okay, it's done. So it's like potato chip too. Next, put it on like the same and then fold it equal. Fold it equal. it was like this, then fold it equally like this. After that, keep it everything like a bit sloppy, a bit ball. Okay, so take the glue, the Fevicol, so put them right here so they stick together. Please close the glue after you use it because it might be a bit hard. So stick them together like the same step that we did last time, you remember? So the next thing, just press this part a bit and then take this like this. So it would be like a heart shape. And then second circle, do the same thing in the second circle. Fold it into half and do it like this. Take the glue, pour it in it. Please put the glue a bit because if you put it more, it will get everywhere in your fingers. After that, the same step, fold it into half. After that, then give it a half and take this out like this. Now let them dry. So let them dry for 2 minutes. After that, till that we're not gonna wait because it's a bit boring. So we just take the left pieces and just cut them into a line. Take a long one because it might be a bit tricky for you. So yeah. So we are done with this strip. It don't have to be too the correct size or like that because we are going to stick it. So let's do it. You just like this, and we need the pencil so that we might fold it and we should curve it a bit. So we have to curve. So we have to curve it. After that, the second one we have to curve it with the help of pencil. Please hold the paper so to be tight and grateful. Do it down. So let's take these ones. So let's take these that we did before. After that, just hold it and do it a bit like this. After that, take the glue again. We do need to glue a lot, so don't take the a bit glue. So put the glue right in here. After that, just stick it together. Stick it together. After that, we made these things, right? You know what? And then stick them right here in the middle with glue. Stick it. And then it's almost done. Now you can decorate with any of them. The stones, the glitter, and some paint. So I'm just going to put on these stones. After that, it's your wish. You can take any of them. So I'm gonna take the silver ones. Silver stone. So you might need the glue for sure. You can stick them anywhere you want. Anywhere. So stick it. Ouch, it's sticking at my finger. Next, I'm gonna take all the colors because this will be pretty. So the next one right here. This. After that, the pink. Pink is the pretty color, huh? I like pink. So the butterflies are ready. There is one butterfly. There is two butterflies. And three butterflies. So we made all the butterflies. And thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and you enjoy. Bye. Thank you.